Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about how to use passive voice in simple present tense. Well, in simple present tense, when we use passive voice, the pattern is after subject is followed by to be, am, is, or are, and then we use verb 3 or past participle. We always use past participle when we use passive voice. Well, in this case, I'm going to explain about how to use it in daily conversation. To improve your skill, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and try to memorize. And then after that, I'm going to ask you some question about it. Alright? Well, now, please listen to me and repeat. Well, this one. This is a pen. This pen is made of plastic. This pen is made of plastic. We use is because the subject is this pen, singular. Okay, so we use is and then followed by past participle, made. Yeah, made. The verb 1 is make. Verb 2 is make, and then verb 3 is made. This pen is made of plastic. Then I'm going to show you again. This is a pencil. This pencil is made of wood. This pencil is made of wood. Pensil ini terbuat dari kayu. Okay. Well, now this is a screwdriver. This is a screwdriver. This screwdriver is made of iron. Then, when there are more than one, we use to be are. These are screwdrivers. These screwdrivers are made of iron. These screwdrivers are made of iron. The next. These are pencils. These are pencils. These pencils are made of wood. These pencils are made of wood. Then, this is an envelope. This is an envelope. This envelope is made of paper. This envelope is made of paper. Now, the single thing. This is a knife. This is a knife. This knife is made of stainless steel. This knife is made of stainless steel. It's clear, right? Now please answer my questions with passive voice. For example, what is this pencil made of? What is this pencil made of? Terbuat dari apa pensil ini? So the answer is, this pencil is made of wood. This pencil is made of wood. Okay, the example. What are these pencils made of? What are these pencils made of? So the answer is, these pencils are made of wood. It's clear, right? Now, the first question. What is this envelope made of? What is this envelope made of? Next question. What is this pencil made of? What is this pencil made of? The next question. What is this knife made of? What is this knife made of? The next question. What is this bottle made of? What is this bottle made of? The next question, please. What are these screwdrivers made of? What are these screwdrivers made of? Then, what is my tie made of? What is my tie made of? Alright? Now I'm going to ask some question about your things. Okay, about your things. What is your head made of? What is your head made of? The next, please. What is your pencil made of? What is your pencil made of? What is your hammer made of? What is your hammer made of? The next question. What is your tie made of? What is your tie made of? And then, what is your ring made of? What is your ring made of? Now the last question. What is your cloth made of? What is your cloth made of? Okay, it's clear, right? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.